In this video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted campaign in Facebook Ads Manager. First, sign into your Meta Business account on your desktop and open Ads Manager. Next, go to the Campaigns section and click the Search and Filter option. After that, look for a filter called Delivery or Status and select Deleted. This will display campaigns that have been deleted from your account. Now, locate the campaign you want to recover and open it to review its details. It's important to know that permanently deleted campaigns cannot be restored directly. However, you can use the deleted campaign as a reference and recreate it manually. Next, click Duplicate if that option is available, or create a new campaign and copy the settings from the deleted campaign. After that, review the campaign objective, audience, budget, placements, and add creatives to make sure everything matches the original campaign. Now, publish the new campaign and wait for Meta's review process to be completed. Finally, monitor the campaign performance and make any adjustments needed after it goes live. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to recover a deleted campaign in Facebook Ads Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.